Welcome. This is Elsie Kerns to Sunday's Hands-on Healing Self-Care Meditation. So get comfortable, take a deep breath, make sure you're in a place of quiet, and get ready to support your energy with your healing hands. So warm them up, shake them off, and let's begin by placing them just off the face. We want to relax the eyes, soften the jaw, soften all of the facial muscles. Breathing in at your own rhythm. Now we're going to come to the famous front and back hold. So one hand goes over the forehead, the other is directly behind you in that little groove. And this is wonderful for releasing stress. It's easiest if you're lying down. The pillows will support your arms. Or if someone is sitting in a chair, you can stand next to them and hold this front and back hold for 10 or 15 minutes and let the stress just completely drain out. Deep breath in and just let go. Coming down off the throat. So we're working and balancing the entire endocrine system. Pineal, pituitary, thyroid. And this is our space of communication. So just nurturing this area that allows us to speak our needs and wants, to speak and communicate with the world. Breathing in, letting go. Now coming right across the chest. Fingertips meeting in the middle, supporting the lungs and the thymus for our immune system. Lungs tend to hold our grief, our anxiety, so we can literally break them out. We all hold a certain amount of grief, and clearly at this time in the world, a lot of anxiety. Breathing in, letting go. Now let's connect the heart center, the energy center, right between the breast and the mind. Bringing those two elements into balance. Breathing in, just letting go. Balancing head and heart. Bringing your palms underneath the breast, right across that solar plexus. A difficult area because it holds an amazing number of organs. Liver, gallbladder, pancreas, spleen, kidney and adrenals in the back. So just breathing in deeply and supporting this area and all of these organs. Sliding down just a little bit to the waistline. And here, there's a famous belt flow meridian that helps us connect the top and the bottom of the body, conscious and unconscious, conscious and subconscious. Making that connection. And now, since we are working with ourself, sliding down gently right to the pelvic girdle, to the sacral, sacred pelvic girdle. Here, of course, we're working with our reproductive system, but equally important, the strength, the confidence, the self-love to actually birth our creativity here on the earth. Breathing in deeply, just letting go, inviting in our deepest creativity and longing. Sliding down now, our palms are face down on the thighs, connecting with that root center that grounds us, supports us. Breathing in, letting that root center feel safe, capable, supported. Now sliding down even further to the knees, this delicate area that balances the upper and lower legs. Just holding the knees with great love and support. Finally, let the wrist just hang off the knees and let the palms beam the energy down to the feet, supporting every step we take every day. Breathing in, letting that grounding again support us on all levels. Now let's take our palms and reach back behind us, holding the kidney and adrenal areas, one of our main energy centers, and supporting this area. Calming the adrenals, getting out of that fight or flight, and energizing the kidney, both left and right, supporting both of these areas. Now slide down right over the sacrum, that sacred sacrum. Breathing in, supporting that low back that can often be a problem for us. Breathing in and letting go. Now coming around again to the heart center, the heart energy center, located right between the breast, one hand over the other, and breathing in deeply, opening the heart, feeling the heart energy expand to support you and those around you. Keep breathing in deeply opening and expanding this center of love that is healing and magical and the core of our universe. Breathing in and giving yourself a moment to honor your work and taking time for self-care this morning. This is Elsie Kerns, your Overwhelm warrior. And if there's any way that I can help you, reach out, overwhelmwarrior.com. Thank you for joining me today.